What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So, in the past, couple of months now, NIO has been trading sideways for the most part. You see that we're finding resistance right around, the low sixes and support around the low fives. So basically, sideways trading range. Looks like we had a failed breakout recently. Right back over here on Tuesday, March 5th. Price broke down lower all the way to the 478, strongly reversed back in this orange range, and now it's trading up to the high. So since we had a fail breakout on the bottom, that could lead to a fail breakout on the top. So again, I do see higher prices in the short term for NIO. We are at resistance, but most likely the bulls will be able to push through it, and we have this bullish trend line in play. So I'm expecting price to probably reach the mid to high sixes and possibly even higher from there to the 715 level. Reason being was that was the breakout point, so price can come back to test it. So that's what I'm expecting to see. I'm expecting to see high prices. We have this downward trend line in play, but if price can break that downward trend line, come back and retest it as support, or even retest the $6 low $6 for support, we'll probably see another leg up. So again, right now it's looking bullish for NIO in the short term. In the long term, that's a different story, but in the short term it's looking pretty good. Looks like it's about to stop out the shorts, holding their short positions, their stop losses above that, mid $6 level. So there's a good chance we're going to see higher prices in the coming days for NIO. That's what it looks like it wants to do now. It looks like it's strongly reversing, and most likely it's going to break out towards the upside. We'll see if it's successful or not, but as right now it's attempting to break out of this trend line, this downward trend line, and that range highs at the 630s. So that's how I'm looking at NIO as of right now. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that price is pulling back to that EMA and that $7 level, which it was the prior support. So price can come back up to it to find resistance. So again, we're still a long ways away for this to be a official reversal, but we'll see if it develops to anything important. Overall, you could even draw a little more trend lines. There's a trend line probably like right about there. That fits pretty good. And it's an obvious trend line because look how many touches we have. One, two, well, you don't really count the first one, and you don't really count the second one, but you have the third one right here, and then we have the fourth one. So we have two touches off of these two swing highs right here. So we have one, two. So again, this would be a potential level that price can get rejected from. Even if you copy this, it looks like a downward channel is in play. So we got a touch right over here after connecting the swing low. So it looks like there's a channel in play, and price is still within the downward channel. So that means we can still continue lower. But in the short term, we're just seeing a pullback. So we'll see if this pullback can lead into anything special, or it's just going to be dying out around the low 7. So again, NIO looking bullish in the short term, but overall, it's still a downtrend. So we'll see if this can reverse price or not. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.